introduction, jar test is one of the most effective tools to determine coagulant dosage available for surface water plant operators, because jar test is intended to stimulate condition in our treatment plant. Developing a proper procedure is very important.
Objective: first, to determine the optimum dosage of coagulants. Second, to testing the efficiency of flocculations or precipitation agents. Third, to detect the presence of toxic heavy metal in the raw water.
This is the apparatus for jar test. We have 6 beakers of 1000 ml capacity, 1 scale cylinder of 1000 ml capacity, 1 beaker of 250 ml capacity, 100 ml solution of aluminium sulfate 1%, 1 turbidity meter, 6 syringes, and jar test apparatus.
The procedure in this experiment: firstly, raw water sample was taken at the UATM river. Secondly, pour 1000 ml of water discharge into each beaker. Thirdly, place the 6 beakers at the jar test apparatus. 4. Preliminary fill the syringe with the different quantities of aluminium sulfate according to the task in this experiment. Next, label the beaker according to the aluminium sulfate dosage that is going to be added. Seek for a rapid mixing agitate at velocity 100 rotation per minute. Next, label the beaker according to the aluminium sulfate dosage that is.
Number 7, add the proper quantities of aluminium sulfate solution in the same time. Number 8, reduce the agitation speed at the 40 R per minute and let it mixing for 50 minutes.
After completing the 50 minutes of stirrings, the sample are kept in quiet for sedimentations. Meanwhile, the sample has to observe the floc settling velocity for 10 minutes. In the same time, the sample slowly become floc decantations.
Then, take 25 ml of clear liquid, being careful not agitate the sedimented flocs, and evaluate turbidity by using turbidity meter. Finally, all the data was recorded.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Arif Fadilah bin Ibrahim. So I'm going to conclude about jar test that had been presented by my friends just now, and also conclude on what we have learned from this open-ended laboratory. The jar test is important because by performing jar test, we can try alternative treatment doses and strategies without altering the performance of the full-scale treatment plan, and easily compare the results of several different chemical treatments for the time of formation, floc size, settleability, and perhaps filtration characteristics. Another important reason to perform jar testing is to save money. One of the common problems in water treatment is overfeeding or overdosing, especially with coagulants. However, jar test enables the correct choice and dosage of chemical coagulants to remove suspended matter and pollutants in water that is treated in wastewater treatment plants. For civil engineering laboratory 2, the environmental engineering lab has been chosen as one of the open-ended lab or OEL. This type of lab aims to enable students to develop the ability to design and conduct experiments, analyze and interpret data, and work in a group. Through OEL, apart from learning to perform lab experiments and write lab reports, we also learn how to resolve complex problems based on investigation or research and justify the decisions that we make. In addition, we also learn to work as a team or how to function effectively as an individual in a team. Thus, we can utilize the knowledge gained from the laboratory work to become engineers who not only well versed in theories but also understand practical situations in the future. That's all from us. Thank you.